Hey guys, this is Candace with Altcoin Buzz Ladies, and today's quick video is going to be about Ontology. Ontology has now had a 70% growth from last week. It has sat as low as $1 in March, and now its current USD price is $3.41. And I know the screen says differently. So what news caused this rise? Well, the Ontology network has recently appeared on GitHub, and they also announced a venture capital cooperation with 4 huge Chinese firms. Their goal is to generate a superior next-generation chain network that will allow businesses to easily adapt to blockchain technology. It eliminates the learning curve and offers mass customization. The Ontology blockchain framework supports public blockchain systems and is able to customize different public blockchains for different applications. It was launched by a Chinese company called OnChain in 2017, and Ontology is a public platform for projects of all shapes and all sizes. It's a giant step forward to removing barriers between the blockchain and business sector and being able to implement blockchain technology with ease into business related aspects. Some of you are wondering, what is Ontology? Well, it's built on the Neo platform and works in tandem with Neo in that aspect. They're separately funded, and Neo is funded by the community and OnChain is funded by a very famous financial group in China, Fosun. Ontology and Neo will build a broad ecosystem using blockchain and other new technologies to serve the real economy. There's going to be a max supply of 1 billion ONT tokens, which are indivisible. And you'll get Ontology gas ONG from holding ONT. For those that are holding Neo, you should have gotten 0.1 ONT the week following March 1st. The other half, the other is 0.1 ONT, will be allocated and airdropped sometime in the second quarter of 2018 as the Ontology mainnet platform is released. KuCoin and Binance are cryptocurrency exchanges that have allowed their users to claim the ONT tokens on their platform. To receive ONT airdrop tokens, you should just hold on to Neo in any of the above mentioned exchanges. The utility of the Ontology token is still not very defined. They are trying to do a 2-tier structure, one with governance use and one that kind of has the same implications as gas on the Neo platform. A good example of how Ontology will be used is when doctors, hospitals, and patients register their identities onto the blockchain fills in the trust gap between the pharmacy and patient with the records of the medicine's key information and proof of authenticity. So it's a more secure way of getting pharmaceutical medicine in the hands of its customers. There is some speculation of what Ontology's premise and purpose is. A lot of Neo people believe that Ontology is trying to take over Neo in the aspect that it's providing digital identity. So there's a bit of controversy there. But Ontology has a very well structured platform, and I do believe that the team behind it and the infrastructure that they're providing is very reputable. Although this is not financial advice, I do see Ontology as a very good investment for those that are in it for technology-wise. Ontology is also compliant with the Chinese government, and therefore adaptability will be more modernized than most of the platforms that we've seen in cryptocurrency. So on April 4th, Ontology announced a venture capital cooperation to co-build a new generation chain network. And there's 4 of them: Sequoia Capital, Danhua Capital, Matrix, and Zen Fund. Sequoia China focuses on 4 sectors: TMT, healthcare, consumer service, and industrial technology. They claim to have worked with Apple, Cisco, Oracle, Google, Alibaba, Airbnb, and JD.com, among others. They've had the privilege of working with over 500 companies in China. DHVC is a venture capitalist fund that invests primarily in early stage and growth stage companies with disruptive technology business model, big market, and an excellent team. They have an extensive network in both Silicon Valley and China. The Matrix partners of China have made hundreds of investments and played an active role in the development of many successful businesses, 50 of which went on to IPO and 75 of which have gone to profitable M&A events. Zen Fund is a Beijing-based seed fund founded by New Oriental co-founders Bob Zui and Victor Wang. These partnerships aim to explore application development, outreach, and incubation, and together build a new generation of public blockchain infrastructure and a distributed trust ecosystem to support real business applications and scenarios. So basically, with the partnership of these 4 huge Chinese funds, we can see that the seriousness of Ontology is very apparent. Ontology is readily accessible and will be a provider of blockchain for China. I think there's something to say about a project if they're capable of having a 70% increase in a bear market. There's something behind Ontology that a lot of investors are willing to put their money into. So guys, I know that the bear market has a lot of you down. Don't worry, it'll pick up. And we will be right here along with you. If you have any gripes, complaints, or any compliments of any sort, and you like the content that you see, take a look at our Twitter, follow us there, and you can also subscribe on Altcoin Buzz Ladies YouTube. Comment below on the videos that you would like us to provide. Although this wasn't a very in-depth review of Ontology, there will be the links provided below where you can do your own research and your own due diligence. Thanks guys, this is Candace.